Menstrual cups are super amazing and make your life so much easier. But there is one huge question that we always get asked, and that is, how do you empty your menstrual cup in a public restroom? My name is Meg with Pixie Cup, and today I'm going to answer this question for you. The truth is, we aren't always able to go home on our heavy period days, and public restrooms might be your only option. Thankfully, your Pixie Cup holds a lot of liquid, and we also know some tried and true methods that help to make your public restroom experience mess-free and stress-free. I'll go over those now. Before we go into details, make sure you always wash your hands before removing your cup. You don't want bacteria to get inside and cause an infection. Also, a note to new cup users, it's a good idea to try using your cup at home a couple times and get comfortable. While it's entirely possible to change your cup in a public restroom, it is easier to get the hang of things at home first. Some of our Pixie Squad girls like to keep a mini bottle of water in their purse to use it to rinse their cup out in the stall. Personally, I like to use our Pixie Cup Cup to rinse the cup in the stall. I simply fill it with water in the sink, bring it into the stall with me, drop my cup in, give it a little shake, and then my cup is nice and rinsed and ready to reuse. What if you don't have a sterilizing container? That's no problem at all. We have Pixie Cup Wipes, and those are a great fix. You can buy a package of our Pixie Cup Wipes online and keep a few in your purse at all times. These are great to use to clean off your hands before removing the cup, and once you have removed your cup, you can simply take a wipe, make sure and clean the cup out inside and out, wipe your fingers off, and then reinsert your cup. It's as easy as that. One final note, these are tips for cleaning your cup, not for the thorough sterilization that is required for good cup care. To learn the difference between cleaning and sterilization, be sure to check out our blog and our YouTube channel.